Well, this truck is a 1960 B75 Mack.
Yeah.
It's got a 5x3 transmission and it's got a Mack 673 turbocharged engine. Now, it's not the original engine. The original engine was, I think, 180 horsepower non-turbocharged.
Right.
This truck had a body off restoration in 1997 that cost well over $200,000.
Wow.
And it was, when I found it for sale, I grabbed it. It is like brand new. The truck's had, it hit 1,000 miles since the restoration today.
It's got Virginia on the door. Did you buy it in Virginia?
I bought it down in Virginia
Okay.
from a gentleman that sold me this truck and an R model as well. But
Oh, wow.
this is a much better looking truck than the R model. The R model may have been easier to drive here.